Understanding the phrase, hold a vigil. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, hold a vigil. This is a phrase you might come across in news articles, novels, or even hear in conversations. Let's dive in and uncover the significance of this expression. Holding a vigil refers to the act of staying alert or awake in a public place, usually during the usual hours of sleep, for a purpose. This purpose is often to honor someone who has passed away or to show support for a cause. Vigils are typically peaceful and reflective gatherings, providing a way for people to come together in solidarity. The phrase comes from the Latin word vigilia, which means wakefulness. Historically, vigils were associated with religious observances, where people would gather to pray during the night. Over time, the concept has broadened to include any gathering for reflection or commemoration. To help you understand how to use hold a vigil in a sentence, here are a few examples. The community held a vigil for the victims of the earthquake. Many gathered to hold a vigil outside the hospital where the injured were being treated. The family decided to hold a vigil at the site of their ancestors' home. Vigils can often be seen in various cultures and communities around the world. They are a way to show collective grief, solidarity, or support. Vigils can also be a form of protest or a way to bring attention to social and political issues. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on the heartfelt tradition of holding a vigil. It's more than just staying awake. It's about coming together to remember, to honor, and to show unity. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language and expressions.